Someone should resolve this issue. River dams crack, break, flood populated areas and cause natural disasters. Someone should resolve this issue. Even now, in Western Europe, there are downpours, torrents, floods that destroy the hard work of millions of people. Someone should tell us what to do about it. Our mobile devices cause harm to our nervous system, our eyesight, our brain activity. Someone should solve these problems. We build numerous roads while the most harmful elements for humans are found in the asphalt. Someone should solve this problem because the entire planet is covered in roads and is being poisoned. Welcome to FISSION 2021. Welcome to those from whom we expect a solution to the thousands of scientific problems of the world today.
We are always faced with mathematical questions that we do not have the answers for. But eventually, when we do find them, new problems will arise for the students after us. Last year, we received a very intriguing project from you, a project that created musical tunes to mathematical algorithms. Mathematics is the tree from which all other sciences branch off, and from it we gain inspirations, fields like economics, finance, and statistics.
Speaking of maths, let's look at another colorful mathematics. Computers have penetrated our everyday life so much that they are literally counting our breaths and steps. In the field of computer science, in the past years we have received very interesting models. One of them was a VR tour of Mars. Today we can imagine the day of a young scientist or student without food but not without a computer. Even though it's very important for our lives, it remains a vast universe that's yet to be discovered.
Another immense branch of sciences is physical science. It spreads all the way from analyzing the enormous celestial bodies to the movement of miniature atoms and electrons. It studies everything that the matter is made out of. We were impressed by the incredible project that allowed students to carry their backpacks without feeling their weight. This was achieved by balancing it in such a way that would match with the students' center of gravity. And this year we received 5 more outstanding projects for physical science and engineering. From the very beginning of their existence, people have looked at the stars and have searched for meaning in them. And today, they keep finding more and more ways to learn about the universe.
In another spectrum of our interests are biology and chemistry, and with the ongoing world situation, it rose even more the interest in medicine and pharmacology. Sometimes minds can create something bigger than the laboratories. One of the minds that submitted a project to us 2 years ago managed to turn a hard, impenetrable wool into a transparent material, and we expect nothing less from the 8 projects that we received from you this year. If we believe in research and science, maybe a student from this competition will one day fight the coronavirus.
And speaking of biology, we dare not miss the growing problems in the fields of ecology and environmental sciences. Whatever we create, it's not important if we don't have the air to breathe, the pure vegetation that gives it to us and feeds us, and if we don't have clear lakes and rivers. That is why young minds, together with the most established names in science, have directed their attention towards solving the main issues in these fields. Exactly in ecology, there is nothing small. Every project about nature is just as important.
And where does this all start from? From the youngest. We encourage them, we give them the initial boost so they can become complete scientists and inventors. Along with the first learned letters and the first digits in a person's mind are born the first thoughts of a different type of discovery and new worlds. We have to help our young friends discover those new worlds. They have previously impressed us with their inventions, among which was a stringless guitar that functioned similarly to a touchscreen. This year, 8 projects joined our junior category.
In these hard times, during a pandemic, it is especially difficult to stay connected to our mutual interest for science. Even the smallest experiment requires incredible effort because we have limited access to many resources, and we know how much you put in those projects.
Thank you for participating in the online edition of the FISSION International Competition in 2021.
Aren't we living in a vast, changing world? So many advantages with the new technologies and discoveries that science has achieved, but also at the same time so many questions for science to solve. With this event, our team would love to inspire, bring together and support young scientists who will be our future researchers, leaders in science. Welcome to FISSION 2020.